everybody, I'd like to look you in the eyes on behalf of Leron Institute. Shukran jazilan, shukran, 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 shukran. Shukran, 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 shukran. I'd like to thank you for this incredible opportunity to be with you in the past 3 days. It's been absolutely extraordinary. It's been a privilege for me to be able to join and co-create this phenomenal workshop with executives such as yourself. I'm incredibly privileged. I would like to commend you on your organizational ambassadorship, your commitment to excellence. Look at us now. It's the end of the day and you don't want to leave. That is demonstrative of leadership. That is demonstrative of cohesiveness. You have raised the bar, and I'm incredibly, incredibly privileged, like I said. I just want to sort of put it out there. This is my job. So in the last 3 days, I've been working. So let me climb out of my trainer body, right? I go home, Leon, and say, Alhamdulillah, I had the best 3 days at work because of you. So maybe please and I would like to thank you for welcoming me into the incredible kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thank you. I'd like to thank Sultan and the team for this wonderful opportunity on behalf of Leron Institute. Thank you to the entire L&D team. Thank you, Ms. Mona. Thank you, sir, who I'll be inviting up onto stage. And Ahmad, thank you for everything. It's been extraordinary. And thank you to Dragana, our camera lady. Let's put our hands together for Dragana from Leron Institute.